We're packing up my whole life and we're moving to Houston.
You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like something been taken.
Shopping is so tiring. Like, welcome back to my channel. It is 8 a.m. so don't mind how I look. But y'all, your girl is moving, okay? The movers are outside. They just woke me up. So we're packing up my whole room, my whole life, and we're moving to Houston. They're actually gonna be like packing everything and moving it for me. So I'm not taking too much because this is gonna be like my first actual apartment outside of college. So we're doing everything fresh. So the movers have it pretty easily because honestly the main thing that I'm taking is my clothes, my shoes, and just like, that's really it. Clothes and shoes. I have to find the bed and everything in the next 3 or 4 days because it's the 7th. I move into my apartment on the 9th, so 2 days. The movers are gone. They got everything out. Look how spacious it is. So like I said, I'm not taking my bed. We're starting fresh. This is time to uproot your life and just start all the way over. I've never in my life seen my closet this empty. They're coming to pick my car up in a few hours. So I'm gonna take a nap because the movers came so early at like 7. And I just got back from London like last night. Like I got home at like 8 p.m. So I'm super exhausted, jet lag. This is gonna be exciting, but for now, I'll see y'all after my nap. We got the Tesla again because I love a Tesla. I don't think there's enough room for this. Some stuff in the back seat. We're in the new apartment. The movers are here. And we got a few boxes already coming in. We also need to get something to eat because I'm getting hungry. I want it closer to the window.
Okay, so this way out?
No, facing this way, but just on that side of the wall. This is the only furniture that I bought, y'all. But it's so cute. Okay, so one thing that I really love about the company that is moving me in, they unpack everything. So yes, you see these boxes right here, but they're gonna take everything out the box and put it up. And y'all, I don't really have furniture. So I'm gonna have them just essentially take everything out the box and put it in my closet because I have like these built-in drawers. And that's really gonna be what it is. So we're gonna do a lot of shopping today. I have a lot of stuff from my old apartment as far as like towels, sheets, Tupperware, blender, crock pot, pots, pans, silverware, all that stuff. So I don't need to buy that. I just need to buy like the essentials. Like we need to go to Costco and we're gonna get some paper towels, some tissue, because y'all don't have any tissue. Like I had to pee and we had to go downstairs to the lease office because I don't even have any tissue and I don't know where my wipes are because it's no telling where all my stuff is, you know? Oh, okay, we starting to get some stuff in here. This is really crazy. Like, I'm literally in my apartment. I don't even know how to feel right now. Okay, I just stopped at Salada and got a little salad. If you've never had Salada, it is like essentially a salad bar. You make your own salad with toppings. I love Salada. And they went up on the prices. Like, a salad is now $10, but with protein, it's an extra $3. I don't know if it was always like that, but it just seemed expensive today. And I didn't even get the drink or the meal. So we're gonna head back to the apartment. There's still a lot to do, but I need to rest, okay? I'm tired. All right, guys, time to do some Costco shopping. But first, we need a buggy, because this is gonna be a lot of stuff. I'm thinking about getting a TV, this $400 LG. The guy said he recommends the LG or the Samsung. Oh my gosh, I want one that swivels, so you know I can have flexibility to move it or whatever. New apartment, new toothbrush. This is $50, but I feel like I either need an air fryer or a toaster. You can toast bread in an air fryer, right?
In mine, I don't know about this $50 one. Mine is more like this.
Because that's a conventional oven. That's not an air fryer. That's literally a countertop oven pro. You bought an oven when you already have an
Air
oven.
fry oven.
She has 2 ovens. What's this? Potato stick?
Sweet potato sticks.
Oh.
They're $11.99.
Like everything vegan's supposed to be bad.
This is vegan. It's not bad, y'all.
I did my drink for you.
This is why I love Costco, because you can shop and eat, okay? Ooh, not the crumb on my face. So,
That looks cute in your nose.
oh, thank you. So what's
nails
the...
look cute too.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Little oriental nail.
Yes. So this is a... Yeah. Hey, this cart is getting... it's getting a little full. How much you think we're at right now? I say 500.
I'm gonna say right now about $325.
Let's see what this total comes to. I'm glad he's unloading it, because this is a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Hey guys, we're getting close to the total. Mom, can you pay for it?
No, I cannot. I'm sorry.
We got everything in this bad boy, no problems. And now we're gonna head to Walmart to try to find like a buggy or a basket to carry all this in, because we didn't even realize who was taking all this stuff up. Like, who's making 30 trips? We got a little bit of stuff in here, so let's go. I need the actual trash can. I only bought like the bags, because for right now, we're not gonna have a trash can, okay? But I'm hoping, you know, the people that care about me throw me a housewarming and bring some gifts. Don't show up empty-handed. Okay guys, we got almost everything in this cart. We have one more trip to get the vacuum cleaner. As soon as we were pulling in, the mattress people called us, and they're here. So we finally have a mattress. Hello. Hi. Hey. And it's gonna be that room. Look at my baby. It needs a car wash for sure. So the guy that drops my car off, he calls me this morning. I told him to meet me at the airport because I have to turn the rental in. He was like, oh, the address says I'm meeting in your apartment. Yeah, it was when you guys were supposed to be here on time, but since you're late, I have to get a rental car. So now you're gonna meet me at this airport so I can turn the rental car in and not have to, you know, Uber myself back. And he's acting like he's doing me a favor. Like, oh, well, please be on time because this was not the arrangement. What's your manager's name? Because I emailed the company to let them know I need to drop off at the airport. So for you to act like you're doing me a favor, boo, when you had to drop this car off anyway, bombastic side eye. This whole moving process has literally been a twilight zone. Like, from the movers to the car movers to everything, okay? So we've got the car back. We got my baby back. It's really dirty and it needs to be washed, but we need to focus on the priorities right now. So I need to get some gas because this baby is on empty. We have some shopping to do today, some more things. I realized I only brought one towel, so we're gonna have to buy some towels, some washcloths. We have a lot of stuff to buy and just unpack and clean out the apartment and stuff. So, okay, we are at TJ Maxx. Hopefully I don't spend too much money this time. Just getting some knickknacks. I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, y'all. Let me show y'all this buggy, because this is something else. Like, how do we get here again? I'm just hoping the total is under, I'm gonna say 300. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Okay, now we're in DSW. Got a little sidetrack. Look at these heels, they're so cute. Wait, let me flip the camera. They are so cute. And they originally are $80, but they're 60% off of this price. So yeah, we're getting these. So I found these really cute Franco Sarto shoes. They're so cute. And these are 60% off too, and these heels. You can never go wrong with some Steve Madden. This was not what we came for, but it's a necessity at this point. All right, little smoothie break, little acai break. And we found the outlet. So hopefully we can find like a cute headboard. We just left the Ashley Furniture, like the regular store. And the lady was like, have you been to the outlet? And I was like, no. So we're gonna see what they have. Hopefully they have a cute headboard. And it's saying next day delivery. This is the one I originally wanted, right there. So let's see if it's any cheaper here. Okay, this store was not giving. It's the fact that the girl told us to come here. Y'all, the mattresses had like dirt stains in them. Like the headboards look dusty. This looked like what they donated. Like nobody bought at the regular Ashley Furniture store and they just donated to the outlet here. It wasn't giving. It's currently 8 p.m. We're at Dollar General. I had my mom go inside to get like some spray bottles, some vinegar, just some other things that we need from Dollar Tree because y'all, I'm too tired to get this car. Like shopping is so tiring. Like I'm an online shopping type of girl. Like I don't want to get up. I want to lay in the bed and just browse and scroll, okay? I'm going to pick up some food and we're going to go home and chill. There's still so much to be done, but it'll get done eventually, okay? Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and today, let me tell you, I have a list of things because we're not just going in there shopping anymore. Don't mind this. I just did some laundry, so I'm hanging stuff up. But we're making some progress. And yes, the gum is good because I am smacking. I'm hungry. It's like 1 o'clock. Still haven't eaten. So we're gonna go to the Container Store. I need to buy like something to put like socks and stuff like that in. And I have to make a return at Walmart. And we need to head to Costco because I need to buy a TV. So let's go. Got my little beet juice. So let's see what we're getting today. The goal is to stay under $100, so.
And my next question is,
I don't know which one would be better. I don't think this size will fit in my apartment. This is the one I really wanted, so we're getting this one based off of the measurements and what the guy said. And it's on sale for 30% off, but it's $180. And this way I can put like, you know, socks, bras, stuff like that in here. And it's easy to assemble, which is a plus for me. Woo, today drained me. Y'all, I had to book a trip to St. Lucia because I deserve like all of this moving, all of this like, it was just too much. So we're going to St. Lucia. This was the solo relaxing trip that I needed. Make sure you are subscribed. I will be dropping this in a few days. Bye.